Okay, hey guys. Out here today with Jeff. Say hi, Jeff.
Hello.
We're at Max Delta. Rob's taking care of things he needs to take care of at his house. So I thought I'd bring Jeff out and let him see how cool this mine is. This is one of those things I'm going to throw the disclaimer out there. Stay out, stay safe. If you've never done this shit, you need to be sure you have plenty of water, plenty of light. I did bring my camera. I don't know if I'll be using it. I downloaded the CapCut app to my laptop, but I'm having a little bit of issues trying to get it to work. So I'll probably just stick with the phone until I figure out how to add the videos from the camera. I have all the videos from Box Canyon in Florence when we went, all in a folder. I just can't figure out how to get them to all upload. Having an issue with it says cloud space. I don't know why, but it says there's no ability to purchase anymore, so I don't know what the deal is. But anyhow, if nothing else, I'll figure out how to Bluetooth my camera to my phone, which would make life so much easier. But anyway, later, back to hiking. So we're coming up on the required, oh hang on, let me flip you around. There, that's better. We're coming up on the required picture in front of the abandoned fireplace at Max Delta Mine here. Everybody gets their picture taken in the fireplace at Max Delta.
There's cat prints in the sand too.
Cat prints?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, I see that.
Yeah, all back along here.
Yeah, that don't look like dog. That definitely
Yeah.
looks like cat. Looks like bobcat though. I don't think we have to worry too much. That's awful small to be a mountain lion.
Well, I'm kind of hungry. So if you get the food off.
Oh Lord. Oh, who did the frowny facey thing on it? That sucks.
That's terrible. That's a good Canaanite graffiti removal.
Oh, wait till you see all the graffiti up top. It's really sad.
You know, a place that belongs was like the Cadillacs. And that Cadillac plant down in Texas.
Yeah. All right, Jeff. Let's see if we can get you on this side instead of that side, because that side really sucks. Yeah, that'll work. You just got to stand on the ledge over here. All right, be back in a minute. Gonna take a couple pictures.
There you go.
This is gonna be one of those things we hope to be doing a lot more of. Look at, oh shit, how am I gonna get light on there and the camera on there at the same time? Hang on, let me see if I can do this. Well, that light kind of sucks. It makes it too bright to see. Can you? Oh, now the phone's in the way. Do you see the sparkle in there? If you're looking at this on a phone, zoom it in. pause it and zoom it in. I don't know if that works or not. Let me see if I can snap a pic. Okay, I think I got it. All right. So, I don't know, pretty much looks like you're seeing what I'm seeing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's way cool. There's crystals forming inside that hole right there. You're trying to move the light so you can see some of the mineralization that has. It's so amazing. Alright, there's some more minerals up in there. I don't know if you can see it twinkling. I know there's some better spots in here, so we shall find them. Ceiling got a little bit lower. Look at this. This. Look at this. Look at this. You got it. I know you can see the glitter in that rock right there, because it's just phenomenal. Look at this. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? Oh my God. And then right here. Look at the sparkles in that. Unfortunately, this is a park, so you can't pick rocks out of here, because look at this. Look at how pretty. Can you see the crystals in there? I don't know if you can see the crystals in there, but it's just a little geode. It's starting to develop crystals. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wow. Sorry, I'm panning awfully fast. That's a bad habit when I get in mines. I'm trying to follow where my face is looking. So basically, you can see I'm looking all over the frickin' place. Look at this. You see how sparkly? Oh, look, here we go. Now we're starting to get to some of the wooden structure. I forgot this adit was this long, honestly. Or shoot. It goes way, 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 way up there. I can't shine the light. That would be interesting to climb up. And then, as you can see, it goes down here, but it just stops right there. It doesn't go any further than that. I don't know if it's collapsed or closed. Alright, I start looking at geology and then forget to pay attention to things. Alright, this is a stope. That one can be gotten into. I'm pretty sure Rob did it one of the times we were here. It's probably on a Facebook video somewhere. But you can see more timbering. There's another ore chute. This one's pretty clogged. Got a big old rock in it. Lots of wood. Obviously a collapse overhead. Oh, nice! Shit! Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, honey, we really need some rappelling gear. And we need to learn to do this. All right. Wonder what the 6 means. Look at how that's raising that up. That's pretty phenomenal. God, guys, I wish I had a better light. Sorry. Look at how cool. Please don't graffiti in these places, guys. It's just so freaking wrong. Oh, another ore chute. Oh, false floor right there. That can be deadly. Could be very deadly. But it looks as though people are using that pipe there to get up there to see what's going on. And I can get that. I can understand why. But that's an ore chute. And it looks to be like it's plugged. Oh yeah. Totally. And I think we've reached Can you see how pretty this is up here? I can't zoom. I can't reach any higher, and I can't zoom with one hand. Our timbers. And pack it in, pack it out, for God's sake. That's just sad. Glass, really? People. Humans fucking suck. And we've made it back here to the end. I don't know how to get this glass out of here. Jesus Christ. I don't have a bag with me, but I will grab this gallon jug because that's just ridiculous. I wonder what happened to the... There used to be a logbook back here that you could sign. Huh. Yeah, it was hanging on this wire right here. Oh, bummer. No longer here. That sucks. Alright. Well, I'm going to head back out. I'm going to grab this jug. And I'm going to look for some good crystal spots. Oh, look at, by the way, drill hole. Doesn't that look lovely? Somebody had to make it look like a bullet hole with blood running out of it. Stupid. Stop graffitiing shit. It's not necessary. It's just destructive. Alright, I'm going to turn off the camera and walk on out. I'll turn it on if I find some cool crystals. Later, back to hiking. Got a cool little vein of sparkly stuff right here. Can you see it? It's really hard not to get the camera in the light, or the light to shadow, I mean. Alright. I remember finding a super chunky, sparkly area in here when I was here last time that I'm just not seeing this time. I guess people been chunking out that little spot. Just love this area. It's just so cool. Look at this vein. It just goes all the way up to the ceiling and does all this really cool sparkly stuff up here. Alright, later. Alright, we're gonna walk up this slurry field here. I don't know. This is like the runoff from all the crap that came out of the mine. I think it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
It's like, where's the dinosaur tracks? This phone, my handle is on the top of the phone.
Yeah.
And when you're shooting video, it drops in front of the lens all the time, and it drives me crazy. A brick.
A regular brick. Well, that's a heavy regular brick.
Yep. So Jeff just told me that I wonder what makes all these scratching marks up here.
Looks like a lot of, well, it's a lot of cat prints and it's like rabbits and probably birds.
That looks like deer right there.
Yeah, probably deer too. Yeah,
Might be javelina. But Jeff just told me he wore his new jeans. So he won't be going in the mine. And I guess I won't be going in the mine either, because I'm not going in the mine by myself. I know exactly where I need to go and what I can do and what I can't, but I will not go in it by myself. He's going to be disappointed he didn't get his pants dirty.
It's not like we're that far away, can't come back again.
Yeah. Yeah, and I'm sure Rob would love it.
Yeah, there you go.
So you're just getting an inkling. You're just getting an inkling of what we're looking at today. Okay, I gotta put you down. Gotta climb. Yeah, it's very cool. Very cool. This I think was the stamp mill, or whatever they were doing, however they were cleaning it. Giant sluice thingy, whatever. I don't know exactly what it would be called. My mining terms are not super awesome. Oh my God. I'm way out of shape. Way out of shape. Having a hard time navigating. All right. We got to go up there. So I'm going to shut you down till we get there. Okay. Level up. All right. Huh. Can you find the banana? In the picture down below, I'll give you a hint. If you find the big machinery and look around, you might find it.
Oh, but a banana?
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
Well, her original name was Cairn, C-A-I-R-N, like the things you see along trails.
Okay.
I didn't choose it, so I have a raven and a banana. But here's Graffiti fucking Central. So stupid. I don't know why people gotta do this. But, you know. I guess the structures that were historic and here forever aren't as important as the artwork. So, anyway, later, I'm gonna hike a bit. Okay, leveled up. Next level up into the mine. I would love to walk in that wash. I bet you could find some nuggies in there. You know, it'd be cool to have one of those little handheld metal detectors. You know, I think there's an adit up there too. I remember.
That metal detector hat's not too heavy, but.
Oh yeah.
The only thing small is like a little pinpoint one.
So.
It's like a little wand.
If you look up to that. Okay. Level up. We have made it to the mine entrance. Let's see.
Fixing rocks for the next burial plot. Got out of wind here. No, beautiful hike up.
I'm not sure if this is. I think it's right up here. All right, I gotta put you on hold. Yeah, made it. And that is the entrance to the mine.
Wow.
And if you go down there and scoot in just a little bit,
You can see what opens up.
you can see it's just amazing. I'm gonna go down there and I'm gonna scoot so I can take a few shots in, but I'm not gonna go in. So later I'm gonna take a second. Okay, kids, heading on in. God, I hate where the handle is on this phone. The cord for the handle, a lasso lopey thingy. All right. Scooching in. It's kind of a butt scoot. Can't get in any other way. you want to crawl on your belly, which is not what I really want to do. Let's drop my flashlight. Okay, and here we go. I'm in, you're in. Give me a second. I gotta do something with this long leash. Okay. Alright. So we can go down. Hey, it's kind of hard to see the incline we're on, and you can't actually stand up. So I'm not gonna talk, got a flashlight in my mouth. Alright, as you can see, there are ropes here, and you can rope down to there, and you can also rope down farther. I'm gonna go as far as over there where my flashlight is. That is the beginning of the second rope. I'm not gonna go down any further than that for today. Jeff could still hear me if I have to scream here. Okay, I think I'm gonna shut you off. Oh, maybe not. I can do this. Okay, almost to the second rope. Oh, wow. I've never seen that before. That's very interesting. And that's a new rope. That gets you from there to there. Wow. Okay. Not sure if you can see down where my light goes, but there's a rope that goes down there that you can hang on to. That'll get you all the way down to the bottom. And there's this rope right here, which is a whole new thing. So I'm really curious. Very curious. You know, I'm wondering if that's not just a rope to go over there and somebody just flopped it up there for some reason. I don't know. Anyway, area I definitely would be interested in checking into the next time we're out here, because I've never seen that before. So down there is the main area. We will not be getting there today. So later, I'm headed back up out. Okay, this is me coming up out of the mine. Holy crap. Definitely out of shape. I just crawled out of that hole. Alright. Jeff's investigating rocks from the wash. And there he is. Alright. So I'm up. All kinds of new things happening down there too. Yeah? Yeah. Alright. We're gonna head back down. I don't know if we're gonna do any more today or not.
We'll take the long way down, maybe through a wash or something.
We could do that. There's an area over there where that, towards where that cactus is. That's kind of cool. All right, later. Back to hiking. Wow, I've been out here so many times. This has got to be at least the 6th time out here. And I never saw this before. But this is definitely a man-made structure here.
Yeah, you see all this rock bed here, so you can only go so far with it. But at some point, you have to throw in the towel.
Look at that. Look at that giant chunk of quartz there right by Jeff's feet. Yeah. That's pretty amazing.
Here, I'll put my foot on it just so you get the idea of the size.
It's huge.
Not a size 12 foot.
It's huge. Amazing. Love it. And look at this rock. Hang on. Oh, damn. It's awfully heavy. But wow. Look at this rock, Jeff. This thing is so heavy.
Wow.
I'm thinking it's very, very low grade. But it's definitely iron. Holy shit. I'll take that one over by Jeff. This is such a neat little structure somebody had built here. Make a great place to camp. Supper park closes at 10. Anyway, or sunset, I think. I don't know. Anyway, later. Back to exploring. Okay, so I made it to that quartz rock that Jeff was showing you. And I'll give you this is a size 6.5 shoe on this giant rock of quartz. Gorgeous. A little heavy. Alright, later. Alright. Had to come back on and show you all this. This is a dry dry waterfall. And you have to remember, unfortunately this is a national park, or a state park, or some shit, city park, whatever. But you can't extract minerals. But this is a dry waterfall. And these little areas like this right here, oh, what a great place to pan. Wow. Another area I've never been in. Max Delta Mine, always bringing you something new. Oh, look at this rock. Just weird all by itself right here. Huh. Interesting. Oh. It's just rained, so we could potentially see nuggies up here. Wow, I never realized what a cool waterfall this was. Look at that. Holy crap. No wonder they dug a mine here. Watch out for sharp sticks. I wonder how many years it's been since this ran. Wow. How cool is this? You know me. I start on a trail and it's hard for me to stop, so Continuing up the waterfall. Oh, look at this rock with this strange deposit in it. I don't know if that's quartz or not. But oh my God, what a cool wash. Truly loving this. Oh. It kind of looks like a heart-shaped rock right there. Rob Daniels. Wow, look at that rock. That's very strange. It's definitely lava rock. Super heavy though. I don't know if that's just surface dirt or what, but it's a pretty interesting chunk of rock. Oh my God, I'm digging this so much. Whoa. Man, this just keeps going up. Okay, this is really awesome, but I need to turn around. I'm not sure how far I left Jeff behind me. Oh, yeah, gonna have to come back here. Oh, later, back to hiking. We be coming down the mountain as we come. What an awesome, what an awesome wash.
It is awesome.
I love washes. Can't keep me out of them. Big problem for me out here. I get out and that's it. Oh look, there's a wash. Let's go climb. All right, later, back to exploration. This spot right here, you can see the ground is still actually wet down here. That'd be a fantastic place to dig. Holy shit, yeah. Yeah, there's chunks of quartz in here. Look at that black one with the quartz stringer in it. Oh my God. I love this shit. Look at the size of these trees.
Yeah.
This has to have run pretty damn hard at some point to drop trees that size. I don't care if it was dying on the side of a cliff. It's still in here. Look at the size of that plunge pool.
Yeah,
Oh!
I wonder if this is where people have been digging, because you've got, it's all solid rock right here.
Yeah.
So I bet you they've been prospecting going down when they used to can. Legally.
Yeah. Look at this tree. Look at this tree. Oh man. But I love to dig around in this hole. Look at that. Look at that. That would be a spot to be digging for sure. Cool. All right, back to hiking.
Find our way down now.
If you find anything cool, I'll come up. I do that to Rob all the time. Let me know if you find anything. All right, I'm gonna continue this way, and I'll meet you in the wash somewhere. All right, later, back to hiking. Look at this rock. At me. This is like quartz mixed with like a million things. That's a pretty awesome looking rock. Look at that string in there. Right next to a huge piece of white quartz. Okay, later. Another really cool little plunge pool right here. Going down. Love it. Later. Okay. We're still continuing down this wash. Look at this rock. I'm not sure this has kind of come out on camera, but it's very sparkly.
In there.
Oh yeah, that one's got some pretties in it too. Oh, look at that. Wow. Yep. Oh, look at that piece right there. That's got to be mica, but that's a great rock. But look at the fine. Okay, this rock is super rusty, which means it's full of iron. And if you can see the tiny little sparkles in there, I'm sure, I am positive that that is silver. There's no doubt about it. Okay, so we came up out of the wash. I gotta get this in some sun and find the area, but you could literally, here it is. Okay. There is gold fleck all over in this, and I'm sure it's not pyrite. I doubt that that's pyrite. It's just too different of a color. It's too, look at, I don't think that's pyrite. I think that's gold. This rock's going home with me. Okay, this is another one I found. Hoping you can see the sparkles in this. I'm 90% sure that's silver in there. Although, with that amount of rust on this rock, that could be gold. So, I don't know. Gonna take it home too. It's pretty heavy. Wow, look at this. Right here. Look at that. Wow. Okay, that one too. So Jeff just saw this rock. This thing is...
Sorry.
Oh my God. Look at this thing. It just shimmers. It's so full. I don't know. This one could be pyrite. It doesn't really look like it. I don't know.
Hey, look what I found, a piece of it to take.
Ooh.
Look at that, a piece to go.
Oh, sweet. That's fucking phenomenal.
What this is, that has nothing to do with this.
Wow, these are so awesome. I
Look
think
at
I'm going to have to
those.
leave that big silver chunk behind because I would take more of this if I could get this. Wonder if this is hard enough to crack that.
That one. Here, let me get it. Here.
I'm going to just pick it up and smash it.
Oh, I'm going to smack it hard. I think I'm going to smack it on that rock right here. That's a nice little rock.
Oh, fuck yeah. That worked. Here's your stick. Sorry about that, guys. I think it's mica. I think it's mica and
Boy,
pyrite.
it sure is shining pretty, huh?
Oh, fuck. Look at that. That's amazing. Dude, like literally, you're killing me here. I want to take them all.
You take what
Little
you
teeny
want.
one. I think it's mica. This one looks like it actually might have some silver in it.
Right.
Oh.
Looking, I see what you're seeing. All right,
I'm switching rocks.
watch your toes. Let's try this one.